Hello to my YouTube, Melanie Hair Colors. This is not a clickbait video, but cemetery, so they do not turn off my comment. This is all about hair, and this is how my hair looks today. I have it up in an updo today, and it's very shiny, as you can tell. And very soft, so I love it. We got some people walking. So yes, I am happy that my hair is doing good, feeling soft, feeling nice to get it refreshing up with colors and bleach, so my hair is not damaged. And of course it's windy out here. I hope you guys are enjoying your day, night, wherever you're at in the world, and just enjoy life. So yes, that's update. More videos will be coming out this week, and I'll be updating some info on my YouTube about me if you guys want to check that out. Otherwise, I'm gonna let you guys go. This is not a clickbait video. Cemetery. I'll put it in because my comments will get turned off. So it's not a clickbait video, it's all about hair. So don't mind the cemetery part. Alright, see y'all in the future. Bye for now.